Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I can create a welcome channel on Discord. So go to text channels and press create channel, and I'm just going to name it welcome, and you can name it anything you want, but I'm just going to name it welcome. Press create channel, and then you are going up here, go to server settings. On system messages channel, you are going to select that welcome text channel. Enable these, like send a random welcome message and prompt members to reply to welcome messages. You can also use this, but I like to just enable the first two. And you can also add like other welcome bots on Discord, but this is as simple as it gets. Don't forget to press save changes, and whenever somebody comes in, the server will say like hello, welcome, blah blah blah. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.